energy storage training. Learn energy storage systems in electrical engineering, transportation, photovoltaic systems, mobile applications and micro-power sources. This is 3 days training course, presented by Tonex Training. The types of energy are various such as radiation, concoction, gravitational potential, electrical potential, power, raised temperature, inactive warmth and active. There are likewise a few developing advancements, for example, hydrogen storage. Energy storage advantages. The best advantage of energy storage is that it empowers the expanded utilization of sustainable power. In any case, considers appear there are numerous different advantages too. Security, condition, economy, employments. Energy Storage Training Course by Tonex. Tonex offers energy storage applications for non-engineers training which causes members to perceive rudiments of energy storage, various sorts of energy storage framework, activity rule, difficulties and application of energy storage in various enterprises. Learn about basics of batteries and idea of putting away energy. Materials utilized in various sorts of energy storage. Parameters that control energy storage execution. Diverse application of energy storage in electrical building. Application of energy storage in photovoltaic. More. Course designed for experts in energy storage systems, energy project supervisors, quality administrators, business chiefs and executives, investors and contractual workers in energy industry, specialists, administrators in energy field. Course agenda. Introduction to energy storage systems. Energy storage and electrical engineering. Energy storage and transportation. Energy storage and photovoltaic systems. Energy storage in mobile applications and micro-power sources. Hydrogen and thermal storage. More. Learn more about energy storage systems. Visit tonex.com for energy storage course and workshop detail.